We'll ask the mayor to quickly talk about his pilot program or his program in his area. Mga kasama, we're gonna try to finish by 1, no? So we ask everyone to please keep the statements shorter, please. Anyway, we will be accepting your position papers.
Yan po. Thank you to our Honorable Chairperson, Senator Bam, Senator Kiko, and fellow resource persons. Magandang hapon po. I'm Aris Gaboy Lim, Mayor of Talavera, Nueva Ecija, and it's an honor to speak about nutrition and agriculture kasi it's very close to us dahil ang Talavera po ay bilang vegetable bowl ng Nueva Ecija at agricultural hub ng Nueva Ecija, isang magandang halimbawa po kung gaano kasagana ang ating lupa at ani. Pero sa kabila po nito, nananatili po yung problema ng malnutrisyon, gutom at food insecurity sa ating bansa. At the same time, our farmers are still the poorest sector in society despite being an agricultural nation. Marami pa rin po sa kanila ang lugi, marami pa rin po ang aning nasasayang o hindi nabebenta sa tamang presyo, leaving them without income and more importantly, without dignity from their hard work. Para makatugon po sa pangangailangan ng ating komunidad, nagsimula po kami sa bayan ng Talavera at inilunsad po namin through an executive order para buuin po ang Nutri-Saka Working Committee. And the heart behind this committee is simple but powerful: to ensure that our children have access to fresh, nutritious, and locally produced food, while at the same time empowering our farmers. Gusto po namin na yung ani nila hindi nasasayang, nagkaka-income po sila ng tama at may dignidad ang kanilang pinaghirapan. Pero ito pong executive order na to, hindi lang po siya basta program. We want to create a system that connects farmers to schools and communities, providing them a sustainable way to fight malnutrition and hunger right at the grassroots level. At the same time po, our local initiative mirrors and aligns perfectly with the Senate Bill 219 of Senate Bill 219 Free Breakfast Program and Sustainable Agriculture Bill authored by Senator Kiko. Both aim to link productivity with nutrition programs, give farmers direct access to institutional markets like schools and feeding programs, and ensure that children and vulnerable groups receive fresh, safe, and nutritious food. The municipality of Talavera proudly leads the way at the grassroots level to the creation of this working committee. And gusto lang po i-add na yung diniscuss po kanina dun sa pregnant and undernourished na children, yung RLGU po is nagbibigay din po kami ng feeding program sa mga pregnant women and undernourished from 0 to 59 months. Through our central kitchen that provides in 56 daycare centers. Kaya po yung Municipal Nutrition Action Office namin is a Hall of Fame awardee and a presidential nominee. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.
Congratulations, Mayor.
If I may just add, Mayor, if you will remember itong huling bagyo,
Yes po.
nag-early harvest yung inyong mga magsasaka dahil tatamaan ng bagyo, tatamaan ng baha, etc. Para meron maisalba, pinili.
Yes po.
At ito naman ay kinuha ng Quezon City Government dahil meron naman silang evacuation centers na kailangan bigyan ng hot meals.
Yes.
Kaya yung mga magsasaka ninyo, binenta inani yung patola, sitaw, kalabasa, kamatis, etc. At nakinabang naman sa tamang presyo, nakinabang naman yung city government. So in the terms of modalities, Mr. Chairman, merong talagang LGUs na hindi food sufficient. So iba naman ang magiging modality sa feeding program sila when it comes to purchasing locally produced agriculture products. Pwedeng, kung hindi sila food sufficient, then they can secure it from other communities who are food secure, like Talavera, for example.
Thank you, Mayor.